Having trouble with your microphone on Windows 11? Discover 3 easy fixes to get your audio input working again. Click Start and go to Settings. Click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the model and click Next. Right-click the Start button and click Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall and then click Yes to restart your system. Type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Open Sound Settings and go to the Recording tab. Select Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. Select your microphone, click Properties, and go to the Levels tab. Change the levels to maximum. Go to the Advanced tab and uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and then OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.